Hi guys, and today I'm going to play with Play-Doh. Okay, right here. So first of all, we need a bowl. And second of all, we need some Play-Doh. So let's get the Play-Doh. Okay, so we have colors here. Get that out of here. Right here, we have yellow, blue. We have yellow, blue, purple, pink, and green. Okay, so let's line them up. Actually, we're not. Okay, I made a stack. So first one is purple, pink, blue, yellow. Wait, what? Blue, purple, pink, blue, yellow. Gold. Okay. Now we're going to play with the Play-Doh and get them out. So let's do that real fast. As I can see, I have the Play-Dohs, so I'm going to get them out. Pink. Okay. Now blue. And I already used these Play-Dohs, so yeah. Blue, then purple, then two more to go. Purple, then some green, and then the last one, yellow. Okay, so first one we're going to play with is let me just which color do you think I'm going to use first? Comment down below. Okay guys, sorry, that was my mom. First of all, we're going to use green, my favorite color. So let's get these out. Let's make them apart. This is not like regular Play-Doh. Kind of sticks, kind of sticky. Can you hear the sound? Yeah, that sound. Okay, now I'm going to play with the Play-Doh, so let's do them in little pieces. Little pieces, little pieces, little pieces. Okay, sorry guys. Watch this video, like it's going to be a long time when May ends. We're going to live with my brother. So yeah, stay tuned for that. It's going when this ends, so stay tuned. Okay, so let's roll into little balls. Okay. Okay, now comment down below what I'm going to do with these little balls. Shush.
Sorry, it's me.
Okay, so these balls are a lot of balls, so no more balls, no more balls. Take this, and this, and this, and this greenish color. And take this, and this, and this, and this, and this. Okay, sorry guys. Running around. Oh my gosh. Okay, we need all the balls. So yeah, I'm basically going to just play with the Play-Doh. So let's play with the Play-Doh just like your mud. Feel good, and you just squish it. Yeah, that feels good. Ah, that feels so good. Okay, we have that one. Now, two more colors, purple and yellow. Okay, purple and yellow. It feels good. It does feel good. Let's mix a little ball. Okay, little ball, little ball. Okay, we need some of the purple. Then some of the blue. Okay. Guys, we did a ball. Mix to the of the colors. So, oh, guys, look at this. It looks so cool. Ooh, sorry. Look at this. Just look at this precious one. So that's the end of my video. So bye guys.